It didn't mean cutting them off, just cutting the cord of expectation. I built my own life. I got a small apartment, then a house. I started a small business, designing custom furniture, something I actually loved, using those hands they dismissed. My husband, when I met him, saw asterisk me asterisk, not a comparison. Our kids, they know their worth just for being themselves. There are no favorite report cards on our fridge, just their drawings. Sometimes my parents call and I answer, but the need for their approval, that old ache, it's just gone. It's a quiet strength, knowing I built this piece by piece for myself.